Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford F-150 wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Make sure your truck is completely off and the ignition is disabled for safety. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prepares the arm for the next step. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook. It should detach easily. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely, never let it snap back against the windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both blades are attached, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe both blades to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass without streaks or chattering. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and climate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.